Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today we are going to be working on an 8-year-old's nails. It's her birthday and she wanted some gel nails, so I decided to give it to her. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So to start, I will clean her hands first. Then I'll come in with some sunscreen to help protect her skin. So her nails were already trimmed and I didn't need to shape them up or anything. She just wanted something simple. First, I'll start by coming in with a base coat. Then I'll go ahead and cure it in the UV light for about 60 seconds. So she chose this aqua green color, which is actually her favorite. I'll go ahead and give it a first coat. Then I'll cure it under the UV light for about 60 seconds. We want it more vivid, so I'll go ahead and come in with a second coat. Finally, I'll go ahead and come in with a glossy top coat. I'll go ahead and cure them. And finally, I'll come in with some cuticle oils, give her little fingers a little massage, and she was so happy with her results. She's a child, she didn't need her cuticles to be pushed back, she didn't need any drillings and all that. She just wanted something simple for her birthday, and she got that. Okay guys, so this is it, and if you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.